Welcome, guys. This is Aadi from Aadi Academy. Let's get right to it. So, what is a polynomial? Also, fun fact, polynomials are so fun to say if you say it slowly. Polynomial. Anyway, a polynomial is made up of two terms, named poly, meaning many, so poly means many, and nominal, meaning terms. So, a polynomial is defined as an expression which is composed of variables, constants, and exponents. So variable is what's here in green, so you have x and y. Constants are 7, they don't have any variables attached with them. Exponents are here, so this is squared, I hope you know that. And those are combined using mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Well, no division operation is by a variable. Okay, now let's get to adding polynomials. So, our equation is 8x squared plus 7x minus 3 times plus 3x squared minus 6x plus 13. Step 1 is combining like terms. 1 second. What are like terms? Like terms are when the base or variable is the same. So x and x are the same in this example right here. Just these two first. And the power and exponents are the same. So this is to the power, this is cubed, and this is cubed. So x cubed and x cubed. You can add these, multiply or subtract any way you want to. Let's say you add them. When you add these two terms, you don't add x, and 3. It will still be x cubed at the end, but you will just add 11 plus 5, the coefficients. So, first we have to add 8x squared plus 7x minus 3. 1 second, sorry. Now, first you have to add 8x squared plus 3x squared, which would be 11x squared. Then you have to add 7x and minus 6x. 7 minus 6 is 1, so this would be plus 1x. Now you have to add minus 3 and 13. 13 minus 3 is 10, so this would be plus 10. Don't forget the addition or subtraction signs, the positive or negative signs. These will be very important. Okay, now step 2 is very important. So step 2 is pat yourself on the back for a good job. Thank you. That's Aadi from Aadi Academy signing